Hey everyone, welcome back. You're watching Tarot Mystic 1111. Let's see what are the messages that wants to channelize for you and what wants to come through. Let's see some more messages, angels, spirits and guides to clarify this reading. Yes, someone is badly missing you. This could be someone from your past, could be an ex that is longing for you, yearning for you, and right now they're actually missing you a lot. They could be going through the conversations that you both shared in the past, and they know that somehow you have pulled back your energies and you are not the one who is going to initiate any conversation with this person, or who's going to plead them to come back. No, but this person is kind of realizing now your absence in their life, and they have a lot of regrets, and they're gaining the self-confidence to reach out to you.